Hey, it's Aaron, and if you're watching this right now, maybe you're checking out the Heygen affiliate program, right? I'm going to cover it and show you exactly how you can get signed up for it. Is this a good way for you to generate extra money, all right? Or are there better ways out there, right? Let's check it all out. So Heygen is a really cool avatar AI video generating software, okay? This is something that I've recommended to my students and some of my other training programs, right? It's super cool. Basically, what you can do is you can come to heygen.com and you can basically use their avatars. They've got tons of different avatars that you can use. So if you're a little bit shy, you don't really want to show your face, you can use another avatar and they can basically speak for you like a real human being. And this is one of the top companies that's doing it right now, right? And what you can also do is you can also record your face and you can use yourself as an avatar, but then you don't have to keep creating videos like this. So for example, I'm not an avatar right now, right? But if I wanted to, I could use my face and Heygen could record it, and then I could either upload my own audio or they could use your voice and you can just type it out and they can replicate it using their software, which is really cool, all right? Now, in terms of the pricing plans, if you wanted to use Heygen, you could use it for free, but I would definitely consider the creator or team level. Even at the creator level, it's not expensive. It's $29 a month, okay? You can upload unlimited videos up to 30 minutes, which is really good. You probably won't even need videos that long. Export them in 1080p, fast processing, and then 5 minutes of avatar IV per month, all right? Or you could do the $39 per month per seat, depending if you're managing an agency. But for the most part, if you're a creator, you'll probably go with the $29 per month. So really not expensive, especially if you're coming up with lots of content, okay? Now, as an affiliate, what you can do is you can come to their affiliate page and you can sign up to basically resell Heygen as a service or a software, okay? So for example, if you're somebody that has a big email list, or maybe you're a creator and you've got a big following, maybe on TikTok or YouTube or Instagram, maybe you have a blog, maybe you have a tech website, right? And you're talking a lot about different things in the AI space or in marketing in general, video creation, internet marketing, make money online, it doesn't really matter, right? So for example, for me, I recommend this product a lot to my students, right? People that want to learn how to make money online, people that want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, for example, make money that way, internet marketing. Not everybody wants to get in front of the camera to create content. So one of the softwares or one of the tools that I recommend is Heygen, because Heygen will allow you to duplicate or use other avatars that look like real humans, or you can use yourself, right? Which is really cool. But it means that they don't have to get in front of the camera every single day and shoot themselves, because not everybody likes to do that, right? Even though it's a great skill to learn, not everybody likes to do that. So you could use software like Heygen to do that. Now, if I was to recommend Heygen as an affiliate to my students and they were to purchase the $29 per month program, right? And they'll probably use this for a long time. It's a very sticky product, right? You can get paid 20% commissions, recurring commissions for 12 months on every paid creator or team that you refer. So it's really cool, okay? So for example, what I could do is you could grab a link and you could just recommend it to your people. And the cool thing is let me see here, right? So they have no cap on how much you can earn, right? So the nice thing is that if you were to recommend someone to the creator program, you would make $5.80 every single month, every time someone who bought from you stays active in the service, in the software, okay? Really cool, right? Commission right here, 20% commissions for the first 12 months, all right? And that's basically how much you get paid, all right? The cookie is for 60 days, which is pretty good. 60-day cookie just means that if someone clicks on your affiliate link and they come back within a 60-day period straight to the website and they buy, you will still get a cut of it, okay? Outside of 60 days, the cookie gets reset, but if they click on your affiliate link again, then they get the 60-day cookie again, so it's not a big deal, okay? So that's kind of how cookies work, right? So it's a very simple affiliate program, not a big deal here. I think it's a really easy sell, honestly. But the thing is that you have to be the right person recommending this product, okay? And so who is this for, right? This is really for people that already have some sort of following, all right? So if you're new to affiliate marketing, you don't have a following at all, don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can still make money. So keep watching until the end of the video, right? But if you're somebody that has been doing this for a while, maybe you're an internet marketer, maybe you're running some sort of online business, maybe you are a blogger, right, with a website that talks all about technology and internet marketing and business and making money and things like that, right? Or maybe you're a creator. Maybe you've got a following on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, and you're talking about stuff where your audience would be interested in creating content online, right? Because Heygen is basically a AI video generation technology, okay? And so when people don't want to show their face, but they want to create content, then they could basically use it. And so all different types of people could use it. It could be someone who's doing it for recreation, creating content for fun, someone who's really a creator, someone who wants to become a marketer. Maybe it's a business that wants to use AI avatars and they don't want to get in front of a camera and do high production stuff all the time. They can replicate themselves and use Heygen in order to do that. Even training videos in training courses and stuff like that. All these types of people can use Heygen as a tool, right? And they will happily pay $29 a month because it's not expensive and it's unlimited. That's what's really nice about this program, is that it's unlimited. It's not like they're limiting you to 30 videos a month, right? 1 video a day. No, it's unlimited, which is really cool. And videos up to 30 minutes, that's really long. For the most part, most people won't need up to 30 minutes because if you were to use this for trainings or even creating content on, let's just say, TikTok or YouTube or whatever, right? Most of that is short form content, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minute type of videos, right? So the creator plan is more than enough for people to actually use this in a really, really good way, okay? So what you could do is if you've already got an audience, it's very easy for you to come to Heygen, sign up for the affiliate program and just promote it to your audience, right? There will be a bunch of people that will be very interested in using Heygen as an AI video generation tool so that they don't necessarily have to shoot the videos all the time, okay? Now, the problem starts if you're a beginner. So if you're a beginner and you want to resell Heygen as an affiliate, but you've got no website, you've got no following, you have no email list, you're not really a creator, you don't have anyone following you, you don't have like 500,000 people following you on TikTok, or you don't really have an audience, right? Then it's a little bit more difficult because you have nobody to really share this with. You could share it with friends and family, but you're gonna make very, very small commissions, right? So if you're a beginner, don't worry, stick around. I'm gonna show you another cool way to start generating income using affiliate marketing, and then you can promote Heygen if you want, okay? So I think Heygen is a really cool piece of software. I think that it's going to get even better and better and better, okay? Over time, it's just going to get smarter. It's a really cool AI video generating tool, especially for avatars. That's what they specialize in. So if you want to check it out, you can check out the Heygen affiliate program, all right? Now, if you're here and you're a beginner and you're interested in promoting affiliate products, but you don't know how, you've got no audience, you're a beginner, you're like, Aaron, how do I even start making money by promoting affiliate programs? I think affiliate marketing is one of the best business models in the world. I used it to change my life. I've generated millions of dollars in sales over a period of time. And there's a very specific way to do affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to do it, and maybe you even want to learn to do this on the side, I do it full time right now. I actually 5 times my corporate salary and I quit my full-time job. I think it's such an amazing skill set to learn. And if you're a beginner and you want to learn the step-by-step, I actually have a masterclass that shows you over the shoulder how to do this, how to go from zero to your first $10,000 to $20,000 a month, 100% from home. Just click the link below and I'll give you access to that masterclass for free. I hope you enjoyed this coverage of the Heygen affiliate program. Really, really cool program, and I will see you on the next review video. Take care.